Hey, what's up everybody, and today I'm gonna show you how to easily make a cool but free intro. So let's jump right into it. So here we are on this site called Punzoid, and the first thing you can see is a bar. Here are some intros you can pick from, but if you want to find more intros, you can click on this button called More Creations. So when we click on that button, it's going to send you to the main menu. So here you can find even more different intros, and you can pick the latest intros, top intros, and even search for different intros. For example, Minecraft. And here you can find different Minecraft intros. So after you found an intro you like, you just have to press on it and press open and click mark. After that, you can watch the intro you picked. You just press the little eyeball and press play. Yeah. And if you want to edit something like the text or the objects, you just have to press this button and there will be 6 different editing options. So let's press the basics. So here you can change the video resolution for 4K or 2K, whatever you like. And you can change the frame rate, like for example 60 or 30, and the length of the video. For example, I think it's quite long, so I'm gonna pick 5 seconds length, and now the video is going to be 5 seconds long. Yeah, something like that. Next goes the scene. The outdoors doesn't work right now, but the blocks and darkness works. Like for example, you can add light or blocks to your video. Yeah, next goes the objects. Here you can add objects like different titles or shapes, and you can also change the name, the text right here. So to change the name, you just have to write your own text in right here. For example, mine. Press enter, and the same with this. And it's going to change on the text you wrote. Next up is FX. This is like different effects like shatter, bloom, and again shatter. If you want to change something with the camera, like make it 2D or 3D, you just press this camera button and you can change from 2D to 3D and from 3D to 2D. Yeah, if you don't seem to like the audio track, you can fix it by pressing this music button, and you can select your own file that is downloaded in your PC. So when you're done, you just have to click this play button, and here you can pick the quality for your intro, like very good quality, balance, or the fastest render. So yeah, if you don't seem to know what is the format button here, for the MKV, just download for certain different PCs, and the web download for different PCs. Yeah, but I recommend you to pick that MKV. You just press start video render, and you have to wait about 2 minutes. After it downloaded, you have to press the download your video, and here this is the final thing. You just press this little file and you pick where do you want to open this file, like for example the photos, and here is your video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button to not miss any of my videos, and see you at the next video.